Tempering white chocolate. Tempering white chocolate is a delicate but essential process. If you want it to set with a glossy finish, snap cleanly and avoid developing white streaks or blooming. White chocolate is a more temperamental than dark or milk chocolate because it contains no cocoa solids, just cocoa butter, sugar and milk solids, so it burns and seizes more easily. Here's how to temper white chocolate using the seeding method, which is reliable and widely used. Step-by-step seeding method: melt using microwave heat in short 30-second bursts, stirring in between. Melt until the chocolate reaches 43 to 45 centigrade. Don't let it to go over 46 centigrade. White chocolate scorches easily. Remove from heat gradually, keeping stirring until it cools to 30 to 31 centigrade. Tempering chocolate is all about controlling crystallize and observing how the chocolate behaves on surfaces, like parchment paper and granite or marble, can help you determine whether it is tempered correctly. Pour 3/4 of the warm chocolate onto the parchment paper. Continue to spread a thin layer with the spatula until it reaches 22 to 23 centigrade. Use a spatula to spread and move it around. Once thick enough, the chocolate is scraped back into the bowl to seed the rest of the melted chocolate. The cooling surface allows you to manually control the crystal structure, which is why professionals often get annoyed with this method. Set tempered within 2-3 minutes, shiny, firm and breaks cleanly when broken. If untempered, takes long to set, may appear dark, streaky or sticky and bends rather than snaps. Watch how it sets and seconds as it cools. Dip a small square of parchment paper into the chocolate and leave at room temperature for 2-3 minutes.